Okay.
Base molding. What is that? 3-inch?
Take some more. Half.
You said 3.5?
Yeah. Better.
Okay.
Toilet. Toilet.
Oh, toilet.
Yeah. I think so.
The other one broke? It's gone?
Yes, outside.
Oh.
Put it in the same toilet.
If it's not broke.
You want to check down? Okay.
Is that it? Oh no, that's not it. This it. Looks fine.
Want to clean it?
Yeah, you ain't gotta clean it, just put it in there. I'll have somebody else clean it.
Okay.
Who you back there yelling at? Yeah. I need a 8-foot butcher block and a sink. The darker one. The fullers are dark. Well, hold on. Which is easier to get to?
This one? It don't really matter.
That's 8.
No, but this is the color.
Oh, okay, yeah. Give me the darker one then. I don't think I've ever had that one.
It's acacia, by the way.
Acacia. Okay. Damn, you got a lot. This is what, 12?
12. You can't get 12s everywhere.
I don't
You can't
think
find a cheaper 12, by the way.
I don't think I've ever seen a 12 nowhere. Yeah, I think you gotta order it.
Home Depot doesn't have it. You can't even order it.
Oh.
We saw it for $300, and just to give you an idea.
Oh, I already know the 10 footers are like
acacia is
$5.50. Yeah. I know. Come on, man. I do this.
You can't.
I buy materials every week, so I know it's a deal. So what's these?
New vanities came in.
New vanities came
Different
in.
colors, different style. Shaker. That's called, what is it, fluted. There's chevron somewhere.
Oh, question. I seen you got some marble tops back there with the sinks attached. You selling those?
Not really.
Oh, you're not?
We put them on a cabinet.
Oh, you put them on there. Okay, I got you. What's up? How's it going? You know what? The gas line. Supposed to move the gas line over here. Nice. I like it. What's up?
Where is the door for the basement?
The who?
The door for the basement. For the room, the basement.
The door? What size?
32.
Okay, I get it.
Yeah.
What else?
Where is the sink?
That's right here.
No, there's no work here.
Why?
It's big.
You sure?
Yeah. This is for 2 sink.
What you mean?
This is the door. Is this double, no?
I don't know. Yeah, it's a regular sink. Just a big box.
For sure. Okay, hijo. Sí, es doble. Look.
You say no?
No, this cabinet is small.
Oh, where's the one you took
it's
out?
30. It's 30.
Where's the one that was there? Remember I told you to keep it?
The cabinet?
It was a sink already there.
You remember you use this?
Yeah, you can use that one.
Yeah, we use that one. Because that one is 25, you know? This very net look. It's 30. Look.
Oh, that's
You
what
know?
you're talking about. Yes.
Yeah, 25 is good.
So you can use that one then.
Yeah.
Okay.
The other thing is more big, a lot big.
Okay. Damn.
I need it for every dollars complete, you know, the framing.
Oh, the frame too?
Yeah,
Oh, what happened? Oh, that's nothing.
look,
Oh, you need the whole thing.
yeah, it's complete, you know.
Okay. 32, 34.
34, I don't know, I think someone have a 33,
They got 32 and 36.
36, no, 36 is
So 32?
yeah, 32,
Okay.
it's okay. One packet molding for all around.
Okay. Oh, I got some molding at the house.
Okay.
You doing that today or tomorrow?
So one packet.
No, you doing the door today or tomorrow?
You, today, yes, okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow.
Well, no, I was just asking because if you're doing it today, I'll get it today.
For the electric, ¿qué más vas a querer de electricidad tú? ¿Qué más vas a querer de electricidad?
And the toilet, you can use that toilet.
Yeah, the toilet, I need a
Water line?
donut.
Oh, the wax ring?
Yeah.
Okay, so hold on, let me write it down.
¿Qué más vas a querer tú?
Outlet,
Oh, how many?
10.
10?
10.
10.
Outlet,
Oh, excuse me.
2 switches.
And 2 switches?
Switches, 3-way.
3-way. Okay, hold on. Okay, 3-way.
2.
Las tapas.
Cover,
Switch.
2.
2. And you say 10 outlets?
10.
10 outlets,
10
okay.
Yes.
Okay.
What did you try to use the counter? 7 feet or only 7, 8?
You can like have it go like with this.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Yep.
I got it.
Okay.
Lighting, up. Arriba, las lámparas más abajo.
Oh, you know how to put in the line
What light?
upstairs? You know one.
Is the light
You
missing?
know one line upstairs?
I don't know. Let me go see. Oh, excuse me. Oh, nice. I like that color. Oh,
Yes.
You know one line in the center for the room? No.
I thought I brought some. I didn't bring no lights.
No.
Really? I brought some lights.
1, 2.
2? Okay.
Falta un trapo.
Excuse me. Oh, right here. There's one. What's the other?
La otra es garbage. La otra ya no servía, güey. Una lámpara que tiré, ya no sirvió.
The other line, the other line, he says, there's no work.
Oh, okay. That won't work?
Yes, it's good.
Okay, cool. So I'll get one more. You're supposed to move the what was the gas line? Like I think over here. Where'd it go?
The one,
The gas line, you know what I'm talking about? Go right here, I believe.
you want to hear?
Where the stove? The stove go over there, yeah. Who's calling me?
Yeah?
Yeah. Yep, okay.
Okay.
I feel like this is missing something.
I got two though too.
For real?
LED ones, yeah.
Oh, we gonna need them. Well, we need one of them. So this is the towel. End up grabbing from Lowe's. Couldn't find none at my usual spots. Caught this on sale for like $4 a foot. $4 a square foot, which ain't cheap really. So I be trying to get it for like $2 a foot, but whatever. I'm gonna have them do the vertical instead of the typical setup. I want to go like this instead of the sideways joint. think that's gonna look better going like that all across. Yep. All the way up here. Yeah, that's gonna look better. So I can order one. But I can use this for something. Probably use it for a shelf. Where could I put this at? Would have been nice to put it right here, but the refrigerator actually going over there, so I don't know. Put it somewhere. Let me see. Stove's going over here, so I could just put it over here next to the stove. There's like a little little shelf next to the stove. Put the spices and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? That's probably what I'll do. The blue wall, I don't even think I'm probably putting it on this wall, because you go with the, if I put some on that wall, it might mess up the overall flow of the look with the blue doors. I'm not sure, I don't know. I might do something. I like the way it looks as is. You know what I'm saying? You go through here, it's out the way. Like that bathroom I put together for a cool, what I paid, $200 for the tile, $200 for the vanity, that's $4. $30 for this, that's $430. Each one of these was $15, so that's $460. I paid $30 for the shower setup, that's $490. And I already had the toilet, that was $10, that's $500. I had to get a door, but I already had a door, so I didn't have to buy it. And so $500 bathroom reno, plus $1,000 for the labor. Took them two days, not bad. $1,500 bathroom renovation, basically. I'm just gonna check out upstairs right quick. Got the upstairs painted. It was like regular plywood or whatever. Told him don't paint this though, because give it a nice contrast look. Once it's clean, it's really gonna pop. Get it polyurethane. Matter of fact, I'm gonna probably put a hanging light right there. That's a perfect spot for a hanging light. Probably come down about maybe 2 feet or a foot, maybe a foot. Yeah, a foot. Okay, regular light there. Already got that. Nice new window. Need a new screen though. Spacious room. Yeah, this one should go quick. I'm calling it now. This bad boy. Let me think. I'm calling it now. Oh, hold on. This gotta be painted. Oh, this gotta be painted white. This too. Or at least. Yeah, this gotta be painted white. We'll work on it. This. Actually, hold on. Let me see. Let me step back here. Probably could just get away with painting that wall. This is the only one that's really messed up. But then again, just paint them all white. Anyway, so what I was saying, I'm calling it now. I believe we should be able to get an offer first week for sure. Shoot, we might get one the first day. It's in the desirable area. Zip. Block is nice. Let's take a look at this block, man. Stop playing. Nice and quiet. No YNs. Bees buzzing. Yards is nice. Anywho. But yeah, I think that tile gonna make it pop. Put the stainless steel joints in here, put that as a shelf over there. Oh no, I might just do a little, instead of a shelf. The stove going right there, that's a 30 inch. I could just put another little cabinet right here on the side of the stove. Put the countertop on there. That might be the best bet. That's what I'll probably do. Anyway. So that's that. Oh, I'm surprised they're not here. Usually they're here at 9 o'clock. But I ain't tripping because they don't lead about 5 or 6 on the regular. And I got towel left over. Keep in mind, I paid $200 for the towel, but I still got 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes left. So I really didn't pay. So essentially, it's not really for $200 for the towel. That's probably like, you probably only used 2 boxes. I paid $11 each box, which would be $22. And this I paid full price for, but this is only like $50. I'm gonna have to redo them calculations. Ooh, back in there. Paint that. Got the sink on, sink already there. I might paint this sink with some metal, gold metal paint. Yeah. Sure. All right, let's get up out of here.